Are you trying to eat healthy but not seeing the results you expected? Maybe you're being tricked by some foods that seem healthy but are actually sabotaging your health. Today, you'll discover 10 foods that appear healthy but aren't. By the end of this video, I'll give you tips on how to replace these foods to make sure you're on the right track to a healthier life. Stick around because what you discover today might completely change how you think about eating well. Stay tuned to understand how your choices might be holding you back. Before we dive into the details of these foods, it's important to understand how the food industry creates this illusion of something being healthy. Labels often mislead us, using words like light, fitness, natural, and diet, which give the impression that the product is good for you. But did you know that many of these products hide ingredients like refined sugar, low-quality oils, and preservatives that can harm your health in the long run? The reality is, by trying to choose foods that seem healthy, you might end up eating options that increase your insulin levels, harm your metabolism, and hinder your weight loss. So, subscribe to the channel now and hit the notification bell to receive more videos with essential tips for your health and well-being. Here on the Total Transformation channel, you'll learn how to make the best food choices for a long and healthy life. Now let's reveal the list of the 10 foods that, despite appearing healthy, might be harming your results. Number 1. Cereal bars. Cereal bars are marketed as quick and healthy snacks, but many are loaded with sugar and corn syrup, which spike your insulin levels and lead to fat gain. Plus, the hydrogenated oils used to make these bars are bad for your heart. Did you like this tip? Hit the like button now to help more people discover the truth about cereal bars. Healthy alternative. Make your own bars at home using ingredients like oats, honey, and dried fruits, or choose nuts like almonds and cashews, which offer good fats and keep you full for longer. Number 2. Industrialized fruit juices. Industrialized juices are loaded with sugar. Even the ones that claim to be sugar-free can contain concentrated juices and additives that are bad for your health. Although juices seem like a healthy choice, the truth is, you're consuming large amounts of fructose and missing out on the fiber from whole fruits, which is essential for controlling blood sugar levels. Healthy alternative. Choose whole fruits or make your own juice at home without added sugar. That way, you get all the nutrients and fiber. If you think this information is important, share the video with your friends and family right now. Help others avoid these food traps. Number 3. Fruit yogurts. Fruit yogurts are full of sugar, artificial sweeteners, and corn syrups, which can harm your gut health and lead to weight gain. The fruit pieces they promise are nothing more than sweetened purees or fruits in syrup. Healthy alternative. Choose plain yogurt without added sugar and add your own fresh fruits. This way, you control what you're eating and get the benefits of real fruit. Number 4. Industrial whole grain breads. Many breads sold as whole grain only contain a small percentage of whole grain flour and are mixed with refined white flour. This means they don't have the same nutritional value as real whole grain bread and can negatively impact your blood sugar control. Healthy alternative. Invest in 100% whole grain breads that contain whole grains, or make your own bread at home with real whole grain flours. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because every day we have videos with essential tips for your health and weight loss. Number 5. Supermarket ready-made salads. Ready-made salads may seem like a convenient option, but the industrialized dressings and added preservatives ruin their nutritional value. Ready-made dressings are often loaded with trans fat and sodium, which can cause bloating and affect heart health. Healthy alternative. Make your own salads with fresh ingredients and dressings based on olive oil and natural herbs. If you need convenience, prepare portions of salad in advance and take them to work or school. Number 6. Industrial granola. Granola seems like a healthy food, but many are high in sugar, molasses, refined oils, and preservatives. This can turn what should be a healthy addition into a bomb of empty calories. Healthy alternative. Make your own granola at home using oats, seeds, nuts, and dried fruits, or look for options without added sugar and oils. Number 7. Soy-based drinks. Soy drinks are seen as alternatives to milk, but many contain sugar, chemical additives, and thickeners. In addition, excessive soy consumption can interfere with hormonal balance due to isoflavones, which mimic estrogen in the body. Healthy alternative. Choose plant-based milk without additives such as almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk, which are more natural and less processed options. Number 8. Industrialized coconut water. Coconut water is naturally hydrating, but industrialized versions often contain preservatives and even added sugars. This transforms a product that should be pure and nutritious into something less healthy. Healthy alternative. Whenever possible, opt for fresh coconut water or read the label carefully to ensure that there are no added preservatives. Number 9. Fitness snacks. Many snacks marketed as fitness contain ingredients that are not good for you, like artificial sweeteners, refined flour, and large amounts of salt. They may be lower in calories, but their long-term impact on your health can be negative. Healthy alternative. Make your own healthy snacks at home. Vegetable chips, dehydrated fruits, and nuts are great options to replace those processed snacks. Number 10. Instant soups. Ready-made soups are often loaded with sodium, bad fats, and preservatives. They may be convenient, but they don't offer the nutrients you need and can overload your body with harmful substances. Healthy alternative. Prepare your soups at home with fresh ingredients and freeze individual portions. That way, you have a quick and healthy option whenever you need it. Now that you know these 10 foods, do you see how easy it is to be fooled by the health promises of the food industry? Recognizing these traps is the first step in transforming your diet and consequently, your health. Comment below on which tip was the most important to you and how it will help you in your daily life. The next step is to start making smart substitutions, swapping these foods for truly healthy options. Additionally, it's crucial to always be informed about what you're consuming. Read labels carefully, and whenever possible, choose fresh, natural foods. This way, you'll not only avoid harmful foods, but you'll also make choices that will help you achieve your health and weight loss goals. Stay until the end of the video because I'm going to recommend more videos that will certainly help you continue this journey towards a healthy and balanced diet. And remember, changing small habits can make a big difference in the long run. With every conscious choice, you're closer to a healthier, more balanced, and happier life.